Start చేసా. Okay. Dear students, in this scenario, explain the chemical properties of alkene. So here CH3, CH2, double bond CH2, dilute alkaline KMnO4 are used. Here what is the reactant alkene? What is the reagent? Dilute alkaline KMnO4. It is known as a Bayer's reagent. So what is the product? What is the product? Here CH3, CHOH, CH2OH. So here CH3, CH double bond CH2, Cl2 for HNu, and HNu means light is used. And what is the product in that? Here this is the sp3 carbon, allylic carbon. So what is the product here? CH2, here Cl, CH double bond CH2. Here CH3, CCl4 for zinc. Here reductive ozonolysis. In reductive ozonolysis what will happen? Just here oxygen, oxygen. Finally what is the product here? CH3, CHO, HCHO. But here B2H6 triboran, THFO, H2O2. So this reagent follows the anti-Markovnikov rule. Then what will be the product here? CH3 anti-Markovnikov rule. So this reagent produced H2O. So H2O consists of H plus OH minus. So here OH minus, negative part of the reagent attacked more number of double bond carbon, more number of hydrogens. So that's why CH2OH, here CH2. This is the product. For example, if you take halogen in presence of non-polar solvent, then what will be the product? So anti-addition is takes place in presence of non-polar solvent, addition of halogen. What would be the product here? CH3, CH, here double bond CH2, anti-addition. So that's why here halogen, here halogen. Next CH3, CH double bond CH2, but here HBr peroxide. Peroxide is in place of peroxide hydrogen boride. How to? This is nothing but anti-Markovnikov rule. Negative part of the reagent he added more number of carbons, carbon double bond, more number of hydrogens is added. So finally what is the product here? CH3, CH2, CH2, Br.